Want to create viral videos without ever showing your face? Gather around because I'm about to reveal a secret that will change your YouTube game forever. I will walk you through the exact steps to create a successful, faceless YouTube channel. And you won't believe how easy it is with the help of AI tools. Faceless YouTube channels have taken the platform by storm. If the thought of being on camera makes you uncomfortable, don't worry. You're in luck. You can still build an engaging channel and earn money like a pro with faceless videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that using some incredible free AI tools. Let's start with a tool that every faceless YouTuber needs, and that is ChatGPT. Trust me, this AI tool is going to be your best friend when it comes to running a faceless YouTube channel. With ChatGPT, you can do multiple things for your YouTube channel. Create video scripts effortlessly. If you don't have time to write scripts, ChatGPT has you covered. All you have to do is provide a simple prompt, and you have a full video script ready to go. Let me show you an example. Let's say you want to create a video about ancient Egypt for students in grades 5 to 10. You can ask ChatGPT to create a script like this. Create a video script introducing ancient Egyptian civilization. Include key facts about their culture and architecture and explain why ancient Egypt still matters today. The target audience for the video is grade 5th to 10th students. In seconds, ChatGPT will deliver a script that's tailored to your audience, and if it's not perfect, you can ask it to change anything until it's just right. Generate fresh video ideas. Feeling stuck on what video to make next? No problem. Just ask ChatGPT to come up with fresh ideas that fit your niche. You'll have an entire list of trending topics at your fingertips. For example, you can add a prompt like this. I have a YouTube channel where I create motivational and inspirational content. My target audience is people who want some inspiration in their lives. Can you suggest some content ideas for my channel? ChatGPT will provide amazing content ideas like these. When it comes to community interaction, ChatGPT can help you write responses to comments, keeping your audience engaged without you having to personally invest tons of time. You can add the comments you got and ask ChatGPT to give responses to those comments. All right, we've nailed down your video scripts using ChatGPT, but what if you're not comfortable recording your own voice? No problem at all, because the next tool on our list is 11 Labs, an incredible text-to-speech AI tool. Why 11 Labs is a game changer. 11 Labs is designed to handle everything from natural conversational speech to more dramatic audiobook-style readings. So whether you're creating an educational video, storytelling content, or even a product review, 11 Labs has the perfect AI voice for you. How to use 11 Labs? First things first, you need to sign up for 11 Labs. The good news? They offer a free version that lets you test out the tool to see if it's a good fit for your content. Once you're in, click on the text-to-speech option. Here, you'll be able to preview a variety of voices, from more casual tones to formal ones. Find the one that matches the vibe of your channel. Now, remember that video script you created using ChatGPT? Just paste it into 11 Labs, and with one click of the Generate button, you'll have a high-quality voiceover ready to go. While the free version gives you a great starting point, if you want access to even more voices or higher-quality outputs, you can always upgrade. 11 Labs offers a range of plans: free, starter, creator, pro, scale, business, and enterprise. You can scale as your channel grows. So, there you have it. 11 Labs makes creating professional-sounding voiceovers super easy, especially if you're camera shy or just want to save time. Just like ChatGPT, it's another tool that can make your faceless YouTube channel a success. Leonardo AI, your image creation powerhouse. Now that we've covered your script and voiceover, let's move on to the visuals. If you need high-quality images for your videos, Leonardo AI is the tool for you. This AI tool takes image generation to a whole new level, and the best part, start by creating a free account. With this, you'll get access to 150 free credits daily, plenty to work with as you create images for your videos. After signing in, head over to the Image Generation tab. This is where the magic happens. Just like other tools, you need to give Leonardo AI a prompt for the type of image you want to create. If you're stuck on how to write your prompt, you can always turn to ChatGPT for help. Let's say you need an image of an ancient Egyptian temple under the moonlight. Just ask ChatGPT to craft a detailed prompt for you, and you're good to go. With the free version, Leonardo AI will generate 4 images for you automatically, which means more options to choose from. And trust me, they're all going to look stunning. You can also experiment with different artistic presets like anime, concept art, and more to match the theme of your channel or video. Once you've entered your prompt and selected your preferences, hit the Generate button. In just a few seconds, Leonardo AI will create your images. It's that easy. After the images are generated, pick the one you like best, download it, and you're ready to add it to your video. And here's a bonus. You can even turn those images into videos using Leonardo AI, making it an excellent all-in-one solution for faceless YouTube channels. HyperAI, turn your ideas into videos. All right, we've talked about scripts, voices, and images. Now let's move on to creating stunning videos. If you need stock videos but can't find the perfect match for your YouTube content, HyperAI is here to save the day. This powerful AI tool lets you turn text and images into fully crafted videos, perfect for faceless YouTube channels. How to use HyperAI. HyperAI offers features like text-to-video and image-to-video, so whether you've got a specific idea or need help transforming an image into video content, this tool has you covered. Just like with the previous tools, ChatGPT can help you create the perfect prompt for HyperAI. For example, if you want a video of a peaceful sunset over a mountain range with soft clouds floating by, ChatGPT can write a clear and detailed prompt. Once you've got your prompt ready, head over to the text-to-video option in HyperAI. Paste your prompt, select your preferences, and let HyperAI work its magic. In just moments, you'll have a custom video based on your exact needs. HyperAI makes it incredibly easy to create unique, custom videos, whether you're starting with text or images. And there you have it. With these 4 incredible AI tools, you're now fully ready to create high-quality, engaging, faceless YouTube videos without breaking a sweat. The best part? They're all free or have free versions to get you started, so there's no excuse not to dive in and bring your creative ideas to life. Now, it's your turn to take action. Start experimenting with these AI tools and watch your YouTube channel grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.